Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add new blocks in a WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side we are getting an option of post, and as soon as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a submenu appears in front of us and having option of all post, add post, right? So right now we are editing our existing post, else you can create a new post by clicking on the add post. So right now I'm clicking on all posts to edit my existing post, right? Okay, so many of the blog posts written by me are getting displayed, and when we move the cursor on the blog post title, then automatically the edit option appears in front of us. So we will click on the edit button, and here if I want to add a new block after this particular paragraph, then simply I need to move my cursor to the end of the paragraph, and I have placed my cursor at the end of the paragraph, and when I click on enter, then automatically type to choose a block, right? Then automatically a new block gets created. Similarly, you can create a new block by another method also. Whenever you move a cursor after the end of the paragraph in the space available over here, right, in the blank space, then automatically a blue line appears in front of you, right? For example, right now I just want to add a block between these expenses included and profit potential. Then automatically when I move my cursor among these two blocks, right, then automatically a blue line appears in front of me, and there is a add block button in it, the plus icon in black color, and when I click on add block, then automatically it asks me of which kind of block you want among these two blocks, right? So whatever the kind of block you want, for example, I just want a column block, so it is asking me what kind of column block, what kind of grid block you want, right? So it is asking me to select the layout of that block. For example, I want this, so you can see a new block has been created. So this is how you can add a new block in your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. Just visit to our website and read the articles. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link. Just visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.